guys, it's Sydney and Lindsay with Tea for the Soul, and we just kind of wanted to do something a little different today since Christmas is in like a few weeks.
Very close.
Yeah. And we just kind of wanted to like sit down with you guys and talk about our favorite traditions, and you guys can comment below and tell us your favorite traditions. We just want to, chat a little bit.
Yeah. So Christmas is like a super busy time for you. I mean, for everybody,
yes.
But I feel like I definitely feel like the pressure, like the busyness, and I really get by year round with just like kind of slacking when it comes to like family holidays and get-togethers. Like not a lot's expected of me, but then December hits and I don't know what it is. Everyone has their requests from me, and it's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. There's just lots going on. But the good thing is when it finally gets to Christmas, there's just like these traditions that you just are so excited for. And mine is, I have a huge family, like gigantic family.
Do?
Yeah, huge.
Real big, yeah.
On my dad's side more so, and we always go, like on Christmas Eve, it's kind of like our thing to get really dressed up. And it's just fun because, you would think like, why do you have to get dressed up, like it's your family? But it's just a fun thing to do, just to like get all dressed and like be with your family. And there's just so many of us, and we just play games upon games all night long. And then the next day, my mom's family comes over, who's like a third of the size, but same thing, like it's just like games and laughter, and I love my family. Like we just have so much fun together, and that's like my favorite part, is just getting together like you don't during the year, and just having those like memories that you just don't get to do all the time.
So my family's Christmas Eve is a lot like yours. We have a game night at my dad's, and we just eat a ton of food, like bad food, like fun finger foods, kind of like Super Bowl foods, honestly.
It's great.
But we just play tons of games, and it's a lot of fun. And then on Christmas morning, the kids, they're my kids, so Santa comes to our house. We wake up, Santa comes, and the whole family comes over, and I cook breakfast. Like I said, like a lot's expected of me. It's only in the kitchen. Like I can make very few things, but what I can make, they're all sweet, so it's baked goods. So I make monkey bread, and my dad usually brings eggs over from the farm, and he like makes like breakfast burritos.
So you make puppy chow?
Yes. So like besides like Christmas like week traditions, like December, puppy chow is something that like I always have on hand, because I just like my aunt will want some, or an uncle, or like I just always have puppy chow like that. I'm like, here you go guys, puppy chow.
Who doesn't love puppy chow?
Yeah, it's so good. And then I should probably bring some up here.
Yeah.
Probably? Okay, I'll bring
That's
some.
not even a question.
I would
love if you brought some up here.
Okay.
I think everybody would.
All right, I'll bring some. And then, so puppy chow, I make this lemon cake that's like, it's like real fancy looking, like it's like the bundt pan shape, and like I put it in like my cake dome thingy, whatever it's
Cake
called.
dome?
It's like a cake plate that has like the pretty glass plate.
Oh yeah, and you like take it off and
Real
it's all
fancy.
like presenting it. Yeah.
Real fancy. Does anyone know? It's like mostly box cake mix. But so there's my monkey bread, puppy chow, the box cake mix thing, and pecan pie. Yeah.
I'm allergic to pecan, that's what I love.
Well, so pecan pie, if you actually make it with pretzels, like salted pretzels, and you like kind of break them in half and replace it with pecans, it is so delicious.
That just
if anyone has
reminded
a nut
me-
allergy.
Yeah, when you said pretzels and puppy chow reminded me of this thing I need to bring up here. It's called reindeer crap, and it's like pretzels, M&Ms, chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, cereal, like all this stuff combined in one with like white chocolate drizzled on it. You don't even understand. It even has those bugles in it.
Yes, the bugles that you put on your fingers.
I like how I just automatically did this.
I knew what you meant.
But like bugles, like that's what I think of.
So leading up to Christmas, like do you have other traditions you do in December?
Not really. I mean, like Christmas, I always go and see Christmas lights, but leading up, there's not like a thing. When I was growing up and we all like lived at home together, we did like the tree. But now that like my sister lives in Arkansas, my brother, he lives here, but we're all just so busy. Me and my mom usually end up doing the tree for the past couple years because I'm the most like clingy child, so I'm always like with her. So I usually end up doing the tree, and my siblings not get out of it. I like doing it, but.
Well, this year we're actually trying a new tradition on Christmas Day, like Christmas evening. My dad always does Christmas dinner, and it's like full blown like Thanksgiving dinner 2.0. But for Jesus' birthday. This year we're just kind of like, we don't want turkey and stuffing again, Dad, or ham and stuffing. Like, we wanted something different. So my dad is making homemade lasagna. So we're trying that out this year, and then I have to remember, guys, like, it is a lot when you have kids, all of these little traditions that like you want to keep doing, and I kind of forget. But the gingerbread house, we actually, that's like something we'll do probably like this weekend, so we can have it out for a couple of weeks. It just sounds gross,
That's
like
so
leaving
fun.
food out. Yeah.
But you don't
It's weird.
I mean, you eat
Now that you
it while
think
you're
about
making
that.
it. I eat it while I make it. You know what I mean? Like, you
Okay.
get a little icing. Oops, drop some on my finger.
Yeah, or I just want to know.
Yeah.
But there's that, and then a few days before Christmas Eve, because Christmas Eve is so busy.
Yeah.
We do go ahead and make a ton of chocolate chip cookies because a lot of them get eaten. But we make sure that we leave Santa about 6 because I feel like that's the amount that I'm gonna
Yeah. I love it.
But
I also used to go caroling sometimes like around my neighborhood, but now that we moved, we don't like carol anymore because we don't have kids in our neighborhood. Like all of us neighbor kids used to like get together and like go caroling.
okay, so speaking of caroling, you have a good voice, so I mean, that makes sense. I had to carol once back in the day for like a fundraiser, and they were just like, Lyndzee, lip sync, please. But you have a great voice, and speaking of like caroling and Christmas music, you wrote a song for us here at Tea for the Soul. That
Yeah,
we put on the radio.
we wrote, or like we have a jingle on the radio here, and so if you're not local, you probably haven't heard it, but it's on like 98.9 Kiss FM, 104.1, what is it? Magic 104.1, Alice, and then there's another one. I can't remember.
But it's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
All my friends are like, hey, like I heard y'all. I'm like, no, you heard Sydney sing about Tea for the Soul.
It was fun. It was really cool, like a cool experience.
You should just go ahead and sing it.
Right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say, do you guys want to hear it? But they can't respond.
It's
But
fine.
okay,
They're
I'll
gonna
just
wanna
sing
hear
it because if you guys aren't local, you'll want to hear it. And it's like really cute, and we put a lot of effort into it.
Let me give me a
Okay,
beat
the,
or
well, the first
something.
part's slow, so maybe sway,
Okay.
and then when I start the
Sway,
fast part,
we're
you'll
good.
know the root. Then we're
Okay.
gonna try. Lindsay's gonna be my percussionist.
Percussionist. I was gonna call myself an acousticist.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
no.
not even a word.
But this jingle's really fun. If you really listen to the lyrics, I tried to incorporate like what we are in this jingle and like the things we have and just kind of what we're about. So it's fun.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's-
I get kind of nervous on the spot, but I'm just not gonna be nervous because it's fine. Okay. Here we go. So I'll sway with you.
Okay.
We've got leggings and leopard and basics and floral. We've got beanies, sunglasses, it's also affordable. But do you recall the Tea for the Soul has it all? Dun, dun, dun. Tea for the Soul for Christmas. Could there be a better gift? If you wanna make her happy, just check it off her Christmas list. You can get all your things online now, or come see us at either store. We now have 2 locations, one in Edmond and more. Merry Christmas from Tea for the Soul. You can now join us. What did I even say? I forgot. At the end, it like plays me saying, I'm like, Merry Christmas from Tea for the Soul. And the guy made me do it like 10 times because he goes, you need to sound like you're like smiling so big. So I was like, Merry Christmas from Tea for the Soul. And then he'd have me do it again. And I was like, I can't smile any bigger than this.
My face hurts.
Yeah, but that's the jingle. So
I
if
hope
you
I
haven't heard it,
have
now you
a
have.
good beat for you.
It was good.
Yeah, we had like a little
It made me feel like I wasn't alone.
Yeah.
I liked it.
Well, it made me feel like I was useful.
You were
useful.
singing. So that's the jingle.
I
There it is.
love it.
Thanks.
Love it.
It was
We're
fun.
so lucky to have you.
Oh, it was fun. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, if you guys haven't heard it on the radio, or if you have, come below and let us know. Because
Yeah.
I want to know who's heard it. And if you haven't, there you go.
Well, this was tons of fun.
Yeah.
So I want to know what your favorite Christmas traditions are because honestly, I always like to add to my list. Like I know our Brooke, her and her mom bake bukus of bread.
Yeah.
And they like give it out as gifts and stuff. And so like now I'm like, oh, do I need to do that? Like, guys,
Do I need to bake bread?
I need to bake bread for people. So comment below. Let us know what your favorite tradition traditions are, and maybe like me and Sydney need to add those to our list because I just can't get enough in December. But don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel here, like this video, all the things, and follow us on all the other social media outlets. We love seeing you guys and hearing from you.